In this lab video, I'm going to show you how to run a controlled cross-tabulation analysis in SPSS. I am also going to show you how to create a controlled line graph. To illustrate how to run a controlled cross-tabulation in SPSS, I'm going to be using the world dataset. I will use the number of political parties ENPP_3 as the dependent variable. And I will use the proportional representation system variable PR_SYS as the main independent variable, and ethnic fractionalization FRAC_F3 as the control variable. To run a controlled cross-tabulation, click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. Place your dependent variable in the rows box. In this case, ENPP_3 is our dependent variable, so I move it over to the rows box. Next, you place your main independent variable in the columns box. In this case, our main independent variable is PR_SYS, so I move it over to the columns box. Next, you place your control variable in the layer box. In this case, our control variable is FRAC_F3, so I move it over to the layer box. Last, you click on Cells, Percentages, Columns, then click Continue and OK. You should now see the controlled cross-tabulation table in the viewer window. To illustrate how to create a control line graph in SPSS, I am going to be using the world dataset. I will use the number of political parties ENPP_3 as the dependent variable, and I will use the proportional representation system variable PR_SYS as the main independent variable, and ethnic fractionalization FRAC_F3 as the control variable. Click Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, Line, select Multiple, and Define. You place your main independent variable in the category axis box. In this case, our main independent variable is PR_SYS, so I move that over to the category axis box. Then you click Other Statistic and place your dependent variable in the variable box. In our case, our dependent variable was ENPP_3, so I move that over to the variable box. Then you click Change Statistic. Choose Percentage Inside. For low and high, just place the number 1. You will do this for your lab question as well. It just tells you the percentage of cases that take a value of 1. Click Continue. Last, you move your control variable over to the Define Lines By box. In this case, our control variable was FRAC_F3, so I move that over to the Define Lines box. Then click OK. Then you should see your line chart in the viewer window.